Ever accidentally sent money or had a change of heart after initiating a Taptap Send transfer? Don't worry, it happens. This guide will walk you through exactly how to cancel a transfer on Taptap Send, so you can retrieve your funds. First things first, open the Taptap Send app on your phone and log in, then tap on the Activity or History tab, usually represented by a clock or list icon, to see your recent transactions. This is where you'll find the transfer you want to cancel. Look for the specific transfer you're trying to cancel. Important note: the possibility of canceling depends on the transfer status. If the transfer is listed as processing or pending, cancellation is often possible. If it shows as completed or delivered, it is unfortunately too late. Tap on the transfer to view its details. There will be an option to cancel the transfer inside those details. This is generally indicated via a button labeled Cancel Transfer. Sometimes it might feature a stop sign icon. If you don't immediately see this, you might need to tap on an item or section displaying any relevant details to reveal the cancellation option. After tapping Cancel Transfer, the app will likely ask you to confirm your decision. Read the confirmation message carefully. It will probably explain how the cancellation will impact your funds. Usually, they'll be returned to your Taptap Send account or to your payment method. Once you confirm, the cancellation process begins. Allow some time for the funds to be credited back to your account. The time it takes for the funds to be returned can vary. Typically a few business days. You will receive a notification in the app and possibly an email informing you about the status of the cancellation and refund. Keep an eye on your transaction history to ensure the cancellation is complete and that your funds are returned. If you have any further concerns, contact Taptap Send customer support for help. Remember, always double-check the recipient's details before sending any transfer to avoid issues. And that's it. Now you know how to successfully cancel a Taptap Send transfer. If you need to